SEO is dead again for the 47th time this decade, and somehow it's always dead right before someone launches a new course. Every time I open LinkedIn, someone's screaming about AIO, GEO, AEO, or whatever new three-letter acronym dropped this week. And I get it. AI overviews are everywhere. ChatGPT is answering questions and everyone's panicking. But here's the part they never put in the headline. SEO isn't dying. It's just getting rebranded by people who want to sell you the next big thing. Look, I'm not going to gaslight you. The numbers are real. Organic click-through rates, down 61% on queries with AI overviews paid ads, crashed by 65%. Even searches without AI overviews, down 41% year over year. That's brutal. Your traffic is tanking, your boss is asking questions, and every guru is promising that GEO is the answer. Because the biggest mistake right now isn't sticking with SEO, it's abandoning it at the worst possible time and chase the shiny new acronym. Let me show you what the data actually says. Here's what's actually happening, and this comes from real agency owners, not LinkedIn influencers. One agency CEO put it perfectly. Classic SEO isn't disappearing, it's absorbing the new stuff. Think about it. When you structure pages properly, answer search intent clearly, keep your technical foundation tight, you're already setting yourself up for AIO and GEO, which means if you've been doing SEO right, you're not late, you're early, you don't need to reinvent the wheel. In fact, 70% of marketers still actively invest in content marketing, not because they're slow to adapt, but because evergreen content generates 38% of all website traffic. That's not dying, that's compound interest for your website. While everyone else is chasing spikes, you're quietly building an asset. Here's what AIO and GEO can't replace, and why SEO is still your secret weapon. Number one, search intent is king. AI overviews can summarize information, but they can't capture the nuance of why someone searches. A person searching best CRM software versus why is my CRM tracking failing needs completely different solutions. SEO understands intent. AI just regurgitates patterns, and patterns break the moment users behave like humans instead of datasets. 2. Evergreen traffic compounds. Listen to this stat. Compounding blog posts account for only 10% of content, but generate 38% of traffic. That means one well-optimized evergreen article can outperform dozens of trend-chasing posts. Meanwhile, yesterday's AI-generated content is already buried. And get this, evergreen content holds top 10 rankings for 2+ years without major updates. That's how grown-up businesses think. AIO gives you speed. SEO gives you sustainability. Number 3, trust signals still matter. Here's the kicker. When you do get cited in an AI overview, your organic CTR jumps 35% and paid CTR skyrockets by 91%. But how does Google decide who to cite? The same SEO fundamentals you've been building for years. Authority, backlinks, structured data, and helpful content. 4, the ROI is undeniable. Evergreen content delivers 4x higher ROI than seasonal content. Businesses investing in SEO for 3+ years report an average ROI of 600%. The companies quitting SEO right now are walking away from that curve. And here's what no one's talking about. 60% of pages in the top 10 Google results are 3+ years old. That's not luck. That's compounding SEO value. So what's the play here? At AllAboutAI, we don't believe in either or thinking. The agencies winning right now treat these acronyms as layers, not replacements. They're not louder, they're calmer. Here's your action plan. Step 1, fix the foundation first. Clean technical SEO, clear intent-driven content, strong internal linking. This is non-negotiable. GEO only works if your SEO base is solid. Step 2, optimize for AI surfaces. Add structured data, FAQ blocks, and concise answers. But don't do this instead of SEO. Do it on top of SEO. Step 3, track what matters. Stop obsessing over traffic. Traffic is noise. Visibility is leverage. Start measuring share of voice in AI citations, brand authority signals, long-term compounding growth. Step 4, play the long game. Here's the truth. When trends fade, and they always do, it's your SEO foundation that keeps delivering results. AIO might win the sprint, but SEO wins the marathon. Look, I get why people panic. The digital landscape is changing, but here's what I've learned studying this data. The fundamentals don't die, they evolve. The marketers getting crushed right now, not because they ignored AI, but because they abandoned fundamentals. They chased every trend and built nothing lasting. The ones thriving, they built an SEO foundation so strong that when AI came knocking, they were the ones getting cited. If you're tired of chasing acronyms and want strategies that actually work, hit that subscribe button. At All About AI, we break down the hype and give you the data-driven truth. Because in a world of quick fixes, long-term thinking is your competitive advantage. See you in the next one.